Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best air fryers, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best air fryer options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Stick around to discover which air fryer is the best fit for you. You can find all the product links with the best deals in the description box below. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's dive right in and get started. First on our list is the Ninja SL401 Double Stack XL Air Fryer. If you're someone who loves cooking but needs to save space, this air fryer is made for you. It's perfect for busy families or anyone looking to make meal prep easier and quicker. Let's start with its space-saving design. This air fryer is 40% slimmer than other two-basket air fryers, which means it fits easily under standard kitchen cabinets. Despite its compact size, it comes in various options: 8 quarts, 10 quarts, and a special 10 quarts model with a thermometer. This variety allows you to choose what best suits your cooking needs. Next, the double stack air frying technology is a standout feature. It enables you to use 2 separate baskets, allowing you to cook up to 4 different foods at the same time. Each basket includes 2 removable racks, so you can cook on 2 levels, ensuring everything gets crispy and delicious. The Smart Finish and Match Cook options also enhance your cooking experience. Smart Finish ensures that 2 different foods are ready to eat at the same time, while Match Cook lets you set both baskets to cook with the same settings, which is fantastic for larger meals. Additionally, the Ninja SL401 offers 6 cooking functions: air fry, air boil, bake, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, giving you a wide range of cooking choices. In my opinion, while cooking on 2 levels can be a little challenging, the benefits of this air fryer make it a fantastic addition to any kitchen. I highly recommend it. Next, we have the Dome Air Fryer, which is perfect for anyone who wants fast, easy cooking without a lot of fuss. First, let's talk about how fast it cooks. This air fryer cooks food 30% faster than regular air fryers. You can cook 32 chicken wings in only 15 minutes, 2 steaks in under 10 minutes, or 10 pieces of meat in 10 minutes. This lets you enjoy your meals faster. The air fryer is also very quiet. It operates at only 55 decibels, which is quieter than many other kitchen appliances. This is great if you like a peaceful kitchen without a lot of noise. A really cool feature is its self-cleaning mode. This means the air fryer can clean itself. Once a month, you can activate this feature through the Tifer app, and it will remove oil and stains, making it easy to keep clean. The Dome Air Fryer is also very easy to use. It has 10 preset modes, so you can cook different foods with just one touch of a button. You can also control it with your phone using the Tifer app, which has over 50 recipes to help you make delicious meals. Also, the non-stick ceramic basket makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. Food won't stick to the basket, and it's non-toxic, which is great for healthy cooking. What I don't like about this air fryer is that it doesn't have a viewing window, but it's really quiet and cooks food quickly. Overall, the Dome Air Fryer is a smart choice for anyone looking to make cooking easier and faster. Now, we have the Instant Vortex Plus XL Air Fryer. If you're looking for a versatile, easy-to-use air fryer for quick meals, this one can be perfect for you. What makes this special is that it can do 6 different cooking tasks. You can air fry, bake, broil, dehydrate, roast, and reheat food all in one device. Its Even Crisp technology makes sure your food comes out crispy on the outside and tender inside every time. Plus, it has a rotisserie feature, which is great for cooking whole chickens that turn out juicy and delicious. One of the best parts is the one-touch smart programs. With just one button, you can cook things like chicken or cookies without any fuss. It also heats up quickly, so you can go from frozen food to a delicious meal in just minutes, which is perfect for busy days. Additionally, this air fryer features a stylish stainless steel design that fits nicely on your kitchen counter. This brand features various sizes, so you can choose from sizes like 4 quarts or 6 quarts, with different prices for each. It cooks food quickly and comes with the Instant Brands Connect app, which offers new recipes to make cooking fun and easy. And yes, it's easy to clean too. Most parts are safe to wash in the dishwasher, and the door can be wiped clean with a damp cloth. Safety features like overheat protection help keep you safe while cooking. However, you might find that some food can fall under the tray while cooking, which can create a bit of a mess. On the bright side, it has an easy-to-use interface and crisps food really well. Overall, I like its intuitive functions. On our list next is the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro, a smart countertop oven that truly transforms your cooking experience. This appliance stands out with its 13 different cooking functions, allowing you to air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, and even make pizza, all from one compact unit. Its ability to deliver crispy and juicy food makes it a favorite for many home cooks. The Joule Autopilot feature is particularly impressive. You can start a recipe using the oven's app, and it will guide you through the entire cooking process. It automatically switches between different cooking modes, which means you don't have to stress about timing everything perfectly. Plus, it connects to an app where you can find access to over 1,000 recipes and cooking guides, making it easy to explore new dishes and impress your family and friends. Another feature I love is the voice activation option. You can simply say, "Turn on the oven and set it to bake," which is perfect for multitasking in the kitchen while your hands are busy. The brushed stainless steel design not only looks great on your countertop, but is also easy to clean. However, it's important to note that this oven takes up a fair amount of counter space, and with a weight of 38.9 pounds, it can be a bit heavy to move around. Despite this, I believe the convenience and versatility it offers far outweigh the drawbacks. If you're looking for a powerful and flexible kitchen tool that helps you create delicious meals with ease, the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro is an excellent choice. Next on our list is the Cuisinart Air Fryer Oven Air 200, a versatile kitchen appliance that combines several cooking functions into one easy-to-use device. This brand offers different sizes, including 2.6 quarts, 4.5 quarts, and 6 quarts, allowing you to choose the perfect fit for your cooking needs. But today, we are going to about 6-quart capacity, which is ideal for families or gatherings, providing ample space to prepare enough food for everyone. This air fryer features 5 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, broil, and keep warm. These options enable you to prepare a wide variety of dishes, from crispy fries to perfectly baked cakes. The digital display has 5 easy presets, making the cooking process straightforward. You can achieve great results with just a few button presses. With 1,800 watts of power, the adjustable temperature control allows you to set the heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This flexibility lets you achieve the exact level of crispiness you desire, whether you're air frying chicken wings or roasting vegetables. Additionally, it has an automatic keep warm function feature that keeps your food warm after it finishes cooking. So instead of getting cold while you're getting ready to eat, your food will stay warm until you're ready to serve it. Also, the sleek stainless steel and black design not only enhances your countertop, but also makes for easy cleanup. However, it is worth noting that this air fryer is pricier than many other options on the market. Overall, with a good customer rating, users appreciate its reliability and ease of use. If you're looking for a dependable air fryer that meets all your cooking needs, the Cuisinart Air Fryer Oven is an excellent choice. Last but not least, we have the Cuisinart Air Fryer 9-in-1. This appliance is designed to make cooking easier and healthier for everyone. Starting with its Turbo Blaze technology, this feature boosts cooking efficiency by using powerful airflow to cook food quickly and evenly. This means you can enjoy perfectly cooked meals in just a few minutes. With 9 cooking functions, you can air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, and more. This versatility makes it ideal for a variety of dishes, from crispy fries to juicy chicken. One standout feature is the customizable preheat program. You can adjust the preheat time based on the dish you're preparing, which can help achieve optimal results. Want to preheat for that perfect crisp? You can do it. Or if you're in a hurry, you can skip it altogether. The air fryer also has a wide temperature range of 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can cook delicate items like proofing dough or high-heat recipes like frying. It accommodates all types of cooking styles. Also, using the Cuisinart air fryer is very easy because it has a clear LED touchscreen. This means you can simply tap the screen to choose what you want to cook. Whether you're new to cooking or have lots of experience, you'll find it simple to operate. In my opinion, investing in the Cuisinart air fryer is a smart choice. It allows you to enjoy delicious fried foods while using up to 95% less oil. This means you can indulge in your favorite meals without feeling guilty, making it a healthier option for you and your family. I personally like this more because I found this super functional at affordable prices. Overall, it's a great way to enjoy tasty meals while promoting better eating habits. You got it. So that's it for the best air fryers in the market for this year. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest videos.